Unity software stock is plunging into the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. Slightly sharply after Google's surprise unveiling of Project Genie reignited deep fears about AI driven disruption in the gaming gene and 3D creation ecosystem. Google officially introduced Project Genie today, the 30th of January 2026, pitching it as an experimental but powerful AI platform that allows users to generate fully interactive 3D virtual worlds from simple text prompts and images. The system can simulate environments with coherent physics, spatial logic, and exploratory gameplay, effectively letting creators dream up play worlds without traditional engine workflows. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Unity stock down 21.45%. Yeah, okay. 20.39%. Volume is 60 million. 50-day average is usually 8.5 million. High beta stock as well. Okay. Company will announce its earnings outcomes on the 11th of February. Yeah, the stock has been showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards. So it's this weakness has been in place since the 13th of January. There has been attempts to bounce, but the 10-day moving averages has served as a primary supply line. I think twice since that time, since the 13th of February. I think since the 13th of January, if not twice, at least once, clearly once here on the 21 this past Monday, 26th. So the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that at least lower prices may remain in place up till the 4th of March. Okay, that's a long time to come. No guarantee that that will be the case. Momentum is also expected to continue to decay as well and may pick up from the 11th of February. Yeah, okay. So then, okay, rather by the 13th of February, there's a chance it would have crossed over its 10-day moving average, the same moving average that has served as a primary supply line. Yes, served as a primary supply line on Monday, or was it? Yeah, Monday the 20th. Okay, well, I would say Tuesday the 27th. Yeah, on this on this daily chart, projections are currently saying, let's see what we have. 35.02 is it's an upper projection. Okay, let's see what we have on its weekly chart. Okay, it doesn't have any extrapolations. It hasn't been around that long. Okay, let's see what we have here. We'll just pick up the projections. The projections are saying 31.28, 34.2, 34.32, 39.25, 65.65, 77.73, 5.18. And yeah, well, of late, it attempted to pick up strength. Yeah, at least going all the way back to March of last year. Yeah, on the line trend on the weekly chart is bearish at the moment. Yeah, obviously we're not going to see very much on the monthly chart, but we can there's a chance we might see some projections. It's quite scanty. Yeah, here projections are saying 44.19, 55.21, 62.03. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's return to the daily chart and try the market grid. Market grid gives us a range of possible prices. It's always reacting to changing circumstances. Yes, whether yeah, every it continue. It's always active. It's always alive. With this contraction now, we might see something. We might see a unique. We might see something and come back Monday the first of Monday the 2nd of February. You might see something else indicating that it has reacted. So as things stand right now, this is the market grid. The stock is trading way outside of the market grid. You can see it's at 30.12. The market grid ends at 36.28. What it's indicating is that a rebound is possible. It's going to rebound and come back into the grid. But if that doesn't happen, then the grid will expand by Monday, the 2nd of February to accommodate it. So as things stand right now, it looks a bit one-sided. It's just indicating that there's a chance that a rebound will occur. But at the same time as well, you should also expect lower prices, which is what the extrapolation is indicating that lower prices may remain in place up to the 4th of March. And at the same time as well, it has a strong resistance, as a robust resistance ahead. If it's going to attempt to rebound, you have here 36.28, 36.78, and then 37.34, 37.99. There's a chance that it might get a rejection there. Even before then, there's yes, this is robust, strong. Very, you can see another 36.20. This is its. I think this will be its. What's this indicating? This is its 3 period moving average, 3 day moving average. Yeah, so it has a very strong support, so strong resistance rather. If it's going to, in the event of a bounce, it has a strong resistance. Yeah, even 35, even before then, there's 35. You can see here 35, the 40 day moving, the 200 day moving average. And then there's also an upper projection of 35.02. They are all resistances, so it is going to it's a staunch one for the stock. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart to see what it's going to indicate. Okay, the 4-hour chart, lower prices, or rather, it's actually indicating that we may see a consolidation towards the 10th of February. Yeah, towards the 10th of February. Okay, before then, okay, let's see now. We'll see how it aligns with the daily chart. Okay, here we are checking the market grid here as well. Remember, we saw those resistances around $35. Here, the stock is lying within its market grid because this is a 4-hour chart. It has already reacted to what's going on right now. You know, yeah, so it's trading at 30.32, so it's neutral right now in between the resistance and the supports with a downward trajectory. So 29.48 is something that can happen. 28.43, these sort of prices may play out as well. Let's see. And indeed, also upper projections 31.37. We don't have any of those prices we saw, but we will deal with what we're looking at right here. Okay, let's see now. So far, let's see. Okay, 37.54 is also another set of resistance. I think it aligns with what we have on the daily chart, but currently the stock is very far from those sort of levels. It's right, you can see where it is. It's right around 29 and 31. So we should be looking for possible resistances and supports. It doesn't look like it has a lot of resistance as such. I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like it has or not even a lot of support as such as well. In as much as 29 and 29.48 and 28.43 is only differ by $1. We want to see these sort of prices being reiterated or being. We want to see a convergence with. We want to see, yeah, a reiteration of such prices elsewhere. But we can't see. There's nothing here. They're not quoted anywhere. So that may be an indication that if it begins to weaken, it may plunge. It may technically. I mean, it doesn't mean that that will be what will happen. But we in the presence of a reiteration of prices is gives one is an indication of a support or resistance, a consolidated, re-emphasized support or resistance. But the lack of them is yeah, leaves one to think that maybe there's a chance he might, if he begins to decay, he might drop below 29.48. But we could still say that this is a reasonable support as well. In as much as they are not absolutely the same, but they are not that far off. So, well, in as much as we can see the sort of prices we saw on the daily chart, we can still say that they are all supports as well. They are all supports as well, but not as not as compact as we've seen them on the daily chart, where we saw compacted resistances that were even validated here by this 10 period moving average here. Okay, so let's just see how it all goes, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.